Number 1 on the 5 costly mistakes to avoid when getting your house ready for the market is curb appeal. Now, curb appeal is very important as it sets the stage for what a buyer is going to expect the interior of the home to look like and how well it has been maintained. So I want you to take a moment and imagine that you're a buyer and you've pulled up in front of a home that you'd like to see. The grass is unmowed. The landscaping is unkempt. There is rotted trim around the doors and windows. It needs paint, and the roof needs to be replaced. What do you think the inside of that home is going to look like? This has been Richelle Ward with your Monday Market Minute, and I would like for you to subscribe to our channel.